Good morning, I am Chandra Mohan. I have been working as an accountancy teacher in UAE for the past 12 years. This year, when the CBSE declared Class 12 result, the teachers of UAE was shocked by seeing the result of accountancy. Most of the students got compartment only in accountancy, and those who failed in accountancy also, they are near to passing mark like 21, 22 and 23 only. The teachers in UAE, they are dealing with the various nationality students. They are struggling hard to make their children get good mark in their board examination. Even for the cancelled exam, CBSE gave mark and made them pass. So during this pandemic situation, it is very difficult to conduct a compartment examination for the students. So as a request from the teachers of UAE, either he can give passing mark for all the compartment students or to make a lenient correction for the upcoming compartment examination. Thank you.
Hi friends, one important information I need to communicate with you. July 13th, CBSE published 12th standard result. In this situation, I understand there is a problem all teachers we facing now, especially commerce stream as compared to other stream. One important subject, accountancy. Number of compartments this year. Number of compartment means one subject failed. Accountancy failed. Many students are very in different school, especially in Gulf school. As compared to India, they're almost okay. But in Gulf schools, number of students failed in accountancy. This is first time in accountancy number of compartments we get. All the teachers, it is not only my opinion. Many teachers, they shared their views that this time what happened our subject. We are all reached in a conclusion that there is a direct discrimination from the part of CBSE, especially valuation team for accountancy appointed by CBSE. Maybe they did not consider it as an equity. There is a straight difference between Indian evaluation and Gulf subject evaluation. Some discrepancies, some discriminations we found. This is my 12th year of teaching in Gulf school. First time only this many compartments we got in accountancy. Not only that's one thing, all the students failed in accountancy due to the shortage of 1 to 5 marks only. Previously, big number of marks shortage, but now 1 to 5 marks only. People they got 23 mark, 24 marks also failed. Especially this pandemic situation, COVID-19 situation, CBSE should have been shown little mercy on the career of the students. On the shortage of 3 mark, 2 marks, they're keeping a fail. It's not good. This is destroying the students' confidence really. Actually, without conducting one exam, CBSE given pass all the students, especially business studies exam not conducted. Without conducting business studies examination, everybody passed. But one exam we conducted for accountancy, their students failed. This is the problem we teachers will be facing. Their CBSE showed one mercy, but why on accountancy not shown? This is the problem. We don't know when we will conduct this compartment examination. Here, especially abroad, in all foreign countries, the climate, the condition is not free, especially it's not clear now. In India also the condition is not different when we conduct examination. Without losing 1 year, without affecting their higher studies, when we will conduct this exam? That also one question. Anyway, in this regard, all the teachers, especially commerce teachers, accountancy teachers, they need to consider this issue. Most important one, we need to share this issue. Or the parents, or the students, or the academicians, they need to turn their attention in this regard. Okay, thank you very much.